you already filming?
I'm filming, yes. So I got this game on Kickstarter for lovely Tracy, and she is about to unbox
Open it! Oh.
Yeah, and tell me what you think.
Okay.
Not a big gamer, are you really?
No.
But you do like hospital games.
Why am I having to unbox this one specifically?
Because it was for you, because I thought you'd like it.
Why?
Because it's a hospital game and you love seeing hospital.
It does look cute actually.
It does.
It looks quite cute, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. I do quite fancy a bit of the Arizona robins. Grey's Anatomy. Ooh, it looks cute.
Yeah.
Ah, is that a name tag?
No.
That's it.
Is it just some art?
It's like, I don't know, maybe you get to put a name on there or something. Arizona Robins, Cali Taurus. Nesta.
Yeah. You're very good at this. I should get you to do unboxings more often.
I've got a lot of punching out to do.
Yes, you do.
What's that say? I was looking to see if there was an on-call room, because there's always an on-call room in every hospital show. And we all know what happens in an on-call room.
Yeah,
Sleep.
we do. Sleep. Yeah. What else could you possibly have meant?
That's exactly what I meant.
It's pretty cool looking, hey?
It's nice, colourful, yeah. Oh, there's a lot of dice. Peeps. Oh, they're cute. Look at this
Sucker
little
for a
guy.
cute meeple, aren't you?
It's a little nurse or something with the little pills and a little syringe. Cute. Consultant. It's good that it's got chicks in it.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Got the ladies in it too. And then, ooh, 2 sets of cards. Do I open these?
Yeah, you can do.
Surgeon cards. Pharmacist. Hematologist. Triage nurse. Oh, that's good. The triage nurse is a guy.
Yeah.
It's good. Not going for stereotypical sexist cards. Oh, okay. Oh, administrator. Oh, these are all administrators. Oh, they're very fancy. And this is like little cards. That's it.
That's it. This one.
Oh, what could this one be? Alrighty, Deluxe Add-Ons.
Oh my goodness.
I just saw something really cute.
I love it when you're as excited about a board game as I am.
Deluxe Add-Ons.
Okay, show us what you're excited about.
It's all cute. Ooh, punchy stuff. Punchy stuff. What the?
It's a dice tower.
What the?
A little cardboard one.
So cute. Oh, it's extra ones, extra meeps. Blood drops. Oh,
Yeah,
and
that's, you don't want those.
definitely don't want those. But what is this? Oh, that's super cute. It's little ambulances.
Oh, they're pretty big.
It's cute.
I'm just
Are
looking
they
at
all
them.
the same?
Yeah, I'm wondering whether or not they're worth painting. They're so massive.
They look so cool. You could paint one like a British one, an American one, an Australian one.
Oh yeah,
You do all different countries, paramedics.
that's cool. Wow,
They're really cool.
big.
They're heavy.
Yeah.
Cool. And extra cards
Yeah.
for extra rolls. I bet when you do it, it's not a big mess.
No, it is.
Oh, experimental chemist, physiotherapist, registrar, pathologist, hematology technician, and medical student.
But it's good to see different races as well.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Oh, there's a little bag here as well.
Oh, cute little dice bag.
Well, thank you, Tracy, for doing that lovely unboxing.
It looks cute. I'm looking forward to playing this one.
You heard that, folks. She does that mean we'll
I will
play it soon?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Never stop.